Following a serious fire incident, 28% of businesses recover, 29% close within 3 years, 43% never reopen. Introducing Redetec, the leading rack-mount cabinet fire detection and extinguishing system on the global market. Redetec puts fire protection at the point of greater risk, providing localised fire detection and suppression to the most valuable assets within the data comms room, eliminating the threat to business continuity due to fire. Redetec is an out-of-the-box, plug-and-play solution that utilises accurate and reliable point-type detectors, built in with the option for remote detection for further coverage. If a fire condition is detected, Redetec can automatically respond to the hazard by controlling a planned release of proven HFC 227EA or Novec 1230 extinguishers into the enclosure, all within seconds of the detection of a fire condition. We also provide proven and reliable high-sensitive smoke detection, so even if no fire breaks out, the smallest amount of smoke can be detected and Redetec can go straight to work protecting the future of your business. Following the detection of smoke, Redetec can provide, where necessary, controlled shutdown of power circuits and UPS supplies, removing the potential source of the fire to prevent any potential reignition. Redetec also carries onboard processing and communication functions to pass on information to building management and security systems. Redetec Cabinet Fire Protection Solutions are designed to suit a range of applications, whether 19-inch rack-mounted or otherwise. Each Redetec unit as standard comprises a complete fire detection and suppression solution, managed by our own internal controller. It also allows easy integration into existing building fire alarm and BMS systems. So why protect the whole room when you can concentrate on protecting the one thing that needs it most? Redetec, putting fire protection where it counts. Go to www.redetec.co.uk for more information.